something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Follow you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. Follow you in my fantasy. I don't even know why we're still on the opposite side.